This 1080p wireless RV camera system makes reversing and parking your motorhome a whole lot easier. It features a 7-inch DVR monitor with crisp visuals, a waterproof rear-view camera that holds up in all kinds of weather, and even comes with night vision. These Rain-X 2-in-1 wiper blades are a brilliant upgrade for any vehicle, combining smooth wiping performance with the brand's famous water-repelling formula built right into the blades. That means clearer visibility in the rain without needing to rely solely on your windscreen washer. They're easy to install and help keep your windscreen clean and streak-free, even in heavy downpours or motorway spray. The STP Ultra Fuel Cleaner packs a lot into a small bottle, with a clever 5-in-1 formula that works to clean your fuel injectors, reduce engine friction, and even stabilize your fuel if it's sitting for a while. It's ideal for those who want to keep their engine running smoother, especially if you've noticed a drop in performance or fuel economy. The VIVIVID Plus Light Smoke Tint Vinyl is perfect if you want to add a custom stealthy look to your headlights or taillights without going too dark. It's 12 inches wide and 7 feet long, giving you plenty of material to work with, and the flexible wrap is easy to stretch and reposition. Whether you're after a subtle style upgrade or some extra UV protection, it's a tidy way to get a high-end finish at home. This Faraday key fob pouch comes as a handy 2-pack and is designed to block RFID signals, helping to protect your car against keyless relay theft. Just slip your fob inside, and the layered shielding fabric will prevent any unwanted remote access. These carbon fiber door handle protectors are a simple way to keep your car's paintwork free from scratches around the door handles. The 3D textured design not only adds a sporty, high-end look, but also fits most vehicle types with no fuss. Just peel and stick them on, no tools needed, and they'll help prevent keys, nails, or rings from damaging the finish underneath. The TEVLAPHEE steering wheel lock is a tough, heavy-duty anti-theft device finished in a bright yellow to act as a clear visual deterrent. It comes with 3 keys and an adjustable locking mechanism to fit most cars, SUVs, and trucks. The CarOx mirror covers are made specifically for the 10th generation Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021 and offer a sleek black finish that enhances the look of your side mirrors. As well as giving your vehicle a sportier edge, they also help guard against everyday scratches and scuffs. The snug fit means they stay put, even in bad weather. This TEVLAPHEE adjustable steering wheel lock goes a step further than most, combining an anti-theft clamp with built-in emergency features like a window breaker and safety hammer. It's ideal if you want something for both security and self-defense, and it fits a wide range of vehicles. The 108 dB car alarm system is a compact but powerful anti-theft solution that you can attach with magnets to most vehicles. It's got a built-in vibration sensor, a remote control for easy arming and disarming, and a flashing red light to scare off intruders. If someone tries to tamper with your car, this alarm lets them know they've picked the wrong target. The Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment is a versatile engine additive that helps clean out your fuel system, improve combustion, and enhance performance overall. It's suitable for both petrol and diesel engines and can be used regularly to keep things running clean. If you're looking to get the most out of every liter, this is a solid product to have on hand. The Armor All cleaning wipes come in a big 90-count container and are brilliant for both interior and exterior use. Whether you're tackling dashboards, leather, or door panels, they lift dirt quickly without leaving a greasy finish. Great to keep in the boot or glove box for a quick spruce-up before a trip or after a long day's driving. The LEXANI LX30 275/25ZR26 radial tire is built for performance and style, offering a low-profile look with serious grip. Ideal for custom rides or show cars, it gives you enhanced traction and a stable feel at higher speeds. If you want to upgrade your wheels with something that turns heads and holds the road, this is a tire that makes a statement. These SMARTSTRAPS retractable tie-downs are a brilliant set of 4 that are ideal for securing everything from ATVs and lawnmowers to boxes and heavy gear in your truck bed or trailer. The B&W Tow and Stow ball mount is one of those pieces of kit that makes towing multiple trailers so much easier. It's got a 2-inch receiver, dual ball hitch setup for different coupler sizes, and an adjustable height with a 5-inch drop. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.